Hello everyone, class 8th student. I am your science teacher Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here, as we have already finished chapter number 11, so we'll have to move on to chapter number 12, that is given as a sound. So the first question or the first impression about the sound is what? To which we can say this is sound. So the topic is what is sound? Everything you have heard through the medium of air, that is called as sound. Suppose ringing the bell, the loudspeaker, the vehicles, the motorbikes, motor cars, the buzzer, the alarm clock, the voice of the people, all these things, that is a sound. So wherever from your surrounding there are everywhere you can heard about the sound. You can't see the sound, but you can feel and you can heard about the sound. Sounds may be differ from the very high to low, from the very noisy to very soft. This may all depends on their vibrations, that is their frequency. They are all created through the vibrations. Through the vibration we can able to heard any sound. The sound can be as increased as it is called as the loud, and this can be have the gentle, that can be cheer yourself as a music. So without the sound we cannot talk to our friends, our families, our colleagues, as well as our students too. And without it we cannot be able to watch the television, like news, like any news or any radios telecast or any other thing. We can't be able to observe or watch anything. So we can recognize the voice of our friend because of that they are not visible to us, but we can understand about it because of that particular sound. Why that sound are recognized? So why we can be able to recognize them very easily. So sound is what actually? Sound is a form of a mechanical energy. Sound is a form of mechanical energy. So which makes us hear? Which make us hear? जो हमें सुनाई देता है. सेकंड क्या है कि साउंड वो है कि ये एक टाइप का सेंसेशन है जो रिसीव्ड होता है हमारे ईयर्स के थ्रू एंड received by our brain. It is a type of sensation we receives. Is the type of sensation we received, and it is received by our brain. Next one is it is produced by vibrations. Produced by vibrations. Next, the nature of sound produced depend on nature of sound produced on the nature of a sound produced depends on produced depends on the nature of vibrating object. The nature of vibrating objects. So this is all about the sound. Next all, how the sound is produced by vibrations. We have to discuss on how the sound propagate or sound is produced by vibrating body. Sound produced by vibrating body. How the sound produced by the vibrating body? Try to make 2 points and stretch a thread in it. What will happen after stretching and leave us a certain point? There is vibrations. So it is a minute type of a vibrations, and in which also the sound produced. So suppose if there is a string are tied at 2 points. Suppose this string are tied at a 2 point. If there is a fluctuations happen, if there is a small fluctuations happen, so there is a vibration creates, and due to this vibration there is a amplitude created, and due to the amplitude created there is a number of frequencies. We can count the amplitude as well as we can count the frequencies. So due to this production, the production of the frequencies, we can measure a small or a feeble amount of a sound. This sound is just denoted due to what? Due to the vibration. When it just stretches a small amount, so there is a vibrations happen, and due to this vibration, these are what? These are actually the vibrations. These vibrations happen, and due to which there is a sound produced. So wherever we can think are supposed to sounds to hear anything, that is due to what? Due to the only vibration we can hear the sound. We can hear the different amount of different forms of a sound, variation sound in our surrounding, like chirping of birds, violins, or might be the ringing of a bell, alarm clock, or people whispering to one another, or might be the teacher taught in the school or in class, or anyone just addressing the meeting, whatever in this sequence. All the kind of sound may be measured or heard by our ears by the producing of the vibration unit. If the vibration could not hear, if the vibration is not here, so we can't be able to hear anything. So for the production of a sound or for hearing, there is a vibration needed. Due to the producing of a vibration, the sound produced or sound creates. This is the mean by which the sound is produced by vibration, or sound produced by vibrating. Sound produced by vibrating body. Vibrating body. As suppose if there is a metal like the iron, if it is an iron metal, and supposed to have a hit on it, if there is a hit take place, so there is vibrations happen, and these vibrations can heard by our ears. This is the way by which we can hear about the sound by vibrating the whole body. There is a vibration cord, and these vibrations are emerges from each and every direction, and it will be come to our ears by the means of these vibrations will reaches to our ears by the means of medium. Which are medium is? This is called as a air. By the air we can able to heard about this such type of a sound. So sound is produced by vibrating body. So this body is vibrated, and due to this vibration we can be able to heard something. So anything or anywhere, whenever the vibrations cause due to the vibrating of the body, we can be able to heard about any sound. Now next one is sound needed medium to travel. This is very true and fact. Suppose if there is in the class a teacher taught something, but he or she wears mask or anything by which the sound or the vibration could not reach it to the student, what will happen? There is a medium through which the sound is propagated. So here is the most important and most convenient source of the or medium of the sound is in the class or in our surrounding is what? This is air. The sound mostly travels by the means of medium. So what would be the medium? Medium might be the different kinds. This can be air, water, metals, or something else in which the sound can be traveled. So sound, for the traveling of a sound there is a medium needed. Medium is needed. How it is proved? It is proved where there is no air, no water, no anything else. Suppose if there is a two balls are connected in such a way, there is no air at all. So what it shows? It shows the vacuum in it. Vacuum means there is no liquid, no air, no solid particles. So there is nothing to else. So that one is called as a vacuum. So it is proved that if the sound moves inside the vacuum, so it's proved that the sound can travel anywhere without the medium, but there is no medium. If there is no medium, so sound cannot be travel in it. It is proved that for the traveling or the moving of the sound, there is a need of medium. There is a requirement of a medium in which the sound can travel. So we can say there is a need of medium to traveling of a sound. Why? Because sound travels in a wave or a vibrations. So this vibration can have the medium to travel. Suppose we are able to hear something, the announcement is being done and we are able to heard because of the vibrations that traveling in the air, and this air is striking in our ears, so we can be able to heard. So this is all about the sound today. In the next video we will discuss on